What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, living life to the fullest. It's your boy Jay. We're back with another video, and today I have a special shoe to kind of compare with another shoe that these shoes almost look alike, but they're two different silhouettes, and I think it's pretty cool to just compare them and just kind of look and just I'm super curious to see what these materials be looking like compared to these other shoes, you know. But is this maybe the next best thing compared to spending a whole grip load of money on this shoe that I'm about to compare it to? If you guys just stop right now, hit the like button for me, because you guys have been doing good on hitting the like button, and every time you hit the like button it helps my videos get recommended to other people. So I want to keep that going, and it's because of you guys. You guys are helping the channel grow. For that reason, I'm giving away a free pair of Jordan 1s. All you have to do is follow the simple rules, mess with the channel. You know, of course you guys already do that. If you guys are watching right now, you guys already mess with me, and I do appreciate that. So I'm giving back to you guys absolutely for free. You might not leave a comment, and that's cool, but you guys watch the videos and you guys are helping the channel grow, all right? But anyway, man, let's unbox these. Also, I have a early review on these all-star dunks. These are going to be releasing soon in March, I think March 9th if I'm not mistaken. If you want to look at that, it's the video before this one. Check it out. Let's get into opening these up though, and let's get into comparing these two. Finally got these in. Sorry that this video is so late. I actually got these a day before Valentine's Day, and they just got to me this week, and I'm excited to share them with you guys so you guys can check them out. Boom, boom. Whew, the box is looking nice. This box is looking crazy. Yo, I didn't know it was gonna get special treatment. I didn't know we were gonna get special treatment with this box. Dang, man. Size 9, retail $130, Air Force One 07 Quick Strike, Tulip Pink, University Red. I usually try to go down a half size on Air Force Ones, so pretty happy. Thank you, Nike, for finally getting these to me. Let's pull them out. This box is beautiful though. I gotta show you guys the box. It's got a little heart above the eye. Nike Air. Oh man, the packaging is A1. Nike, you guys are doing a lot better on the packaging. You guys do know that Quick Strike means limited. It's a limited quantities. It doesn't always mean it's gonna sell out though. There's a lot of Quick Strikes that don't usually sell out. All right, so this is Love A Forever. There you guys see that tissue paper? It says Love A Forever. Cool, man. So let's open these things up and let's take a look and see what these things look like. Go ahead, you guys are the guests, so I gotta let you guys look first because you guys are the guests here on my channel. Healthy amount of paper. Ooh, man, extra laces, huh? Dang, bruh. Nice. Got the little YDM sticker in there as well. Dang, these things are nice. Whew. Yo, sneakers that. Thank you for the blessing, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, check these out. Oh man, yo, this is such an amazing shoe. Look at that shoe. Bro, the details, the buttery suede. Actually put good suede on these forces. Yo. Wow. Dang. I'm not gonna lie, man, this shoe is, it's actually really nice. This shoe is actually super nice, man. Look at the extra laces that it comes with. These extra laces, they're like tied onto the regular laces, which is kind of different. But man, yo, this shoe is actually very nice, man. Like, for sure, man, this shoe is very nice. So it's got like the tag where it usually says Nike Air or Air Force or whatever. It says Nike Air Force One, and you open it up and it says True Love since '82. This is pretty much a sneaker, just kind of what it represents is a love for the Air Force. So it's kind of weird because Valentine's Day, you'd think it'd mean like, you know, your significant other. But nah, this shoe is pretty much paying, it's just showing your love for Air Force One. So if you're a true Air Force One head, and me, I got about, I think 13 pairs of Air Forces, and that's not a lot compared to a lot of other people, but I think, you know, I have a fine share of Air Force Ones in my collection, different colorways, a lot of Nike IDs as well. But dude, like this is amazing. I love this. I love what this means, because this kind of just gives me it just kind of takes me to like the love and passion for sneakers. At first I thought, you know what, I got two sneakers that are this same colorway, I might have to end up getting rid of this one and keep the other one, or vice versa. But I was, you know, just seeing what this means, it's just showing love for the sneaker culture. It's not showing love for somebody else. It's not like, it doesn't mean that you have to gift these to your girl. And that's what I was wondering. I was like, man, that's kind of weird, you know. How could you make the concept make sense of a man pushing almost 30 years of age, which I am, you know, I'm almost 30. How would that look, me wearing a pink shoe? But the meaning behind the sneaker is you being passionate about your shoes and loving the love for Air Forces, which is pretty cool. You know, I've always been able to afford Air Forces. I've always kept a clean, all white pair of Air Forces. I remember my brother back in the day taking my Air Force Ones and rocking them and then putting them back in the box when I was saving them for a special day. And yo, like the Air Force to me is always gonna be a sneaker that I must have in my collection. I'm gonna at least need a couple pairs of Air Forces in my collection. And you know, this shoe signifies like the love for sneakers. It resembles a love for sneakers and a passion for your forces. That's so cool, man. It just hit me right now. I didn't even know that, but just reading this, Nike Air Force One, and then you open the button up and it says true love since '82. I haven't loved them since '82, but I have loved them since I could afford them. So definitely I'm gonna gravitate a lot more to these sneakers now, just because of the meaning. It's just a beautiful meaning behind the shoe, man. The leather quality is amazing. You got hearts on the toe box and the toe cap, so you're gonna have these hearts on there, which is freaking awesome. And like I said, you got this where it says Air Force One, and you open it up and it says true love since '82. Check that out, true love since '82. Yo, that's just so cool, man. That's so cool to me, man. This is what we need in the sneaker game. This is definitely what we need. Maybe it shouldn't be a quick strike, but then again, nobody would have picked it up if it was just a huge GR, you know what I mean? The swoosh is nice. So now that leads me to comparing these to another shoe that released the Valentine's Day holiday a year before this year, and it is the Strangeloves. And there you guys have them side by side. I don't know if anybody's made a video of showing these side by side. I have worn my Strangeloves already, you know what I'm saying? I had to wear them. There's that. What if you got somebody to customize this same little skull with the heart back here on the heel of these right here, man? That'd be crazy, right? But let me know which one you guys like better. Let me know if you guys like the Forces. I'm trying to get my face out of here. Let me know which one you guys like better. See if you got, maybe you guys like the Forces, maybe you guys like the Strangeloves. I just wanted to put them side by side. Obviously the materials do not even, these don't put a match up against these Strangeloves because of the materials. The materials on the Strangeloves are just freaking amazing. Everything about the Strangelove is amazing. I love it. When it's on my feet, I've had so many compliments. And does it really take a real man to wear pink? I think it does, man. I think it takes a confident person to wear pink. I'm not the type of person to wear pink as much, and that doesn't mean I'm confident. It's still hard for me to wear pink, but dude, the meaning behind this shoe just blew my mind. I had no idea that it was that it said that on the tongue. I hadn't watched any reviews. Oh man, just the shoe in general is just beautiful. Beautiful outsole. There you guys see it right there, and the meaning behind it is just amazing, you know. Of course the eye is replaced by a heart on the shoe, and you just got these little heart perforations on the side panels, on both side panels. Red check. Beautiful shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I just want to know what you guys think. Oh man, this shoe is crazy, bro. This shoe is crazy. So now when somebody asks me why are you wearing a pink Air Force One with a bunch of hearts on it, it's because I love Forces, bro. It's no more than that. You know, it's just explaining your love for Forces. Crazy, bro. But anyway, man, I appreciate every single one of you guys that watches my videos. Keep showing love. YouTube, keep showing love as well. I appreciate every single last one of you guys. Everybody, take it easy. It's your boy Jay. We're out of here. On to the next video. Ladies.